Hello all, welcome to Rascamus Randoms. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Juice Air XXL wireless speaker, Bluetooth speaker. I've just got it second hand. I'll be opening it up. Let's see what's inside the box if I can get to it. It's got a seal on here. Right. I hope it's in good condition. Looks pretty decent. There's the speaker itself. That's the speaker. What's inside? Got the USB charger. And a jack to jack. 3.5 jack to jack. Let's have a look at it. There's a power on. I think that must be the light. It changes light colors. Volume up and down. Don't know what the M is for. That might be to connect the Bluetooth. Inside you got a jack there. You got the charger and I think for a memory card there, or a USB stick. Yeah, that's a memory card. That's the speaker at the bottom. Let's turn it on. It must have some power in it. Let's see what it's like. Yep, that's what it lights up. I think it changes a few colors. Don't know how many colors it changes to. See if I can connect my Bluetooth to it, and then see what it sounds like. Yep, I'm just going through my Bluetooth to connect it, see what music there is and how loud it is. I'll just put something random on. Let's give this a try. I bet advertisements might come on. Yeah, it sounds like that. Here for test. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. I tried to do a test if the air from the sub would make it move the paper, but it's loud enough for a room. It sounds pretty decent. It's not the most deepest sound, but it's still good. I think it's worth it. I got it for under £10, which was on sale in Asda. I think it was the clearance. I think it was a return, but it's okay. It's nice colors on it. It changes color. The Bluetooth works. I ain't tried the other connectors if the other stuff works on it, but it's pretty okay. I think the battery life is about 6 hours. What it says, I think so. I don't know what it says. 10-watt speaker, lights, wireless. Yeah, 6 hours. It says 6 hours there. If you look at it, the battery life. Yeah, 6 hours. Wireless. So I'll give it a try. I'll keep using it for a bit, and then if I got anything else to unbox and review, I will put it on my videos. Right, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.